Hi guys, good morning. Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today, good morning. Yes, today is a part of our vlogmas again, and I'm going to unsa man? Asagay ko. Ay. Mag-makeup me guys. So English mag-makeup me, and we're going to do hair and makeup for the 5 clients, and later on I'm going to an event. Ganito yung face ko, but then magpapaganda at least, no? Alam nyo guys, Loveliskin is helping my skin as well. Nawala yung mga blackheads, whiteheads ko. Thank you, Loveliskin. And watch until the end. Meron akong importanteng announcement for you. Watch out. I'm with Ate Sarah pala guys. Assist ko sa sa hair. She will be helping me out. Okay, so see you there. Bye-bye.
The following day.
Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today guys, diri rami sa IT Park. Nice kay guys. At tuon ta pakiton ta mo sa atong butilya, nice kayo. Nami diri sa IT Park nga kay naniud to. We had our lunch earlier. So pakiton ta mo, it's very nice. So this is made of kanang empty bottles. So, diba? Nice kay, no? Inita sa bitaw, grabe. Nice. And then, char-char lang. Bag sa kunto, init kayo, guys. So, today, we will be going to, we will be having a makeup gig. So, we had our lunch sa, secret, charot. We had our early lunch kasi yung call time namin is, 12:30. And we're going to go to, waterfront hotel and casino na nasa tapat lang. So, mahal doon mag-lunch. So, dito na lang kami nag-lunch sa IT Park. So, yeah. We're going there. Nagpapa-fresh air lang muna dito sa IT Park. Kasi ang ganda naman ang view, guys. If you happen to be here in Cebu, you need to visit IT Park. Yeah. Money life sa mga makeup artist. Goroy-goroy sa mukha nila. Kisan daw. Na akong dala. Kapoy sad. Samo kaya kung guys, fluffy. Kisa na sad. Padung mi sa waterfront. Hinanin niyo mo yung budget guys. Maglakaw. Kumusta ang bagtaktat So guys, we just arrived sa bahay namin. Bahay namin, waterfront. Kunuhay guys. Pero we just arrived guys and we're still waiting for our clients. See you later. Done na guys with 5 clients. Papunta na sila. Hi, thank you for having us tonight. Today pala. Ano ko picture? Sige, mag-yoyo si Sai. Guys, we're going na home na guys. Kumusta ka te?
Okay lang.
Yes. Pauwi na kami. And, yes. Tapos na. Supposedly 6 yun. Tapos naging 5 na lang. Hindi na kami nag-taxi kasi ang daming nakapila for taxi. So, we better walk. Malapit lang naman. So, papunta kami ng SM. Tapos magbibihar. Tapos ito yung dala namin. Ang dami. Pero, carry lang naman. Kung nagbabudget ka, carry lang. Sige, babush. See you sa SM.